The DJI Mini 4 Pro redefines what an ultralight travel drone can achieve, combining portability with professional-grade performance in a registration-free 249-gram body. Designed to fold down to a remarkably compact size, it slips easily into a small bag while maintaining a durable airframe with built-in cooling for longer flights. Its standout feature is a powerful camera system built around a 24mm f1.7 lens mounted on a 3-axis gimbal, delivering ultra-smooth 4K HDR video and detailed 48-megapixel stills. The quad-Bayer sensor supports advanced color profiles such as HDR, HLG, and D-Log-M, giving creators flexibility for both quick social content and serious post-production. Dual-format recording allows seamless switching between horizontal and vertical video, making it especially practical for platforms like YouTube and other social networks. Safety is another major strength, with full 360-degree obstacle detection enabling intelligent avoidance through modes like brake, bypass, and more dynamic flight paths, making it far safer than drones with limited sensors. Built-in GPS adds peace of mind through Return to Home and Find My Drone features. With up to 34 minutes of flight time on standard batteries and as much as 45 minutes with extended options, downtime is minimal. Creative tools such as Active Track, precise subject following, and cinematic quick shots further expand its storytelling potential. Altogether, the Mini 4 Pro delivers a rare blend of compact design, advanced imaging, intelligent safety, and long endurance, making it an exceptional ultralight drone for beginners, travelers, and content creators who want premium results without the bulk.